Okay, in this video we are going to derive the equation that is mirror formula, most important equation for numerical solution. So, and after that we derive the magnification formula in terms of the object distance and image distance. The same theory we have done in 10 standards. So here this is the only revision. Also, this formula is valid for both image, virtual image and real image. So now what is question is that what is the virtual image and what is the real image? The image position can be find out by actual intersecting of the reflected ray. So that types of the image is known as the real image. Okay, but the image positions can be find out by extending the reflected ray to the backward side. So that image is virtual image. We take some examples so you can easily understand. First of all, we consider the figure that is for concave mirror, and in which we have the real image. But in end of this theory, we draw a ray diagram for virtual image. So you can easily understand what is the real image and what is the virtual image and what is the difference between them. Also, these formula can be derived by using both mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror. But in this case, we derive only for concave mirrors. But this is valid for both mirrors and also for both types of the image. Okay, so now we starting the derivation of the mirror formula. So for that we consider the mirror, that is the concave mirror. This one is concave mirror. This is pole. This one is center of the curvature. So the line passing through C and D, that is principal axis. This is principal focus. This distance C from the P, that is the radius of the curvature. Principal focus to pole, that is the focal length. This all things we have done in previous video. Okay. So now suppose our object is placed beyond DC. Beyond DC. Now we want to find out the image of this object, that is AD. We find out the image for this object. So if you want to find out the position of the image, so you can consider more than 2 rays, or we can say that more than 1 rays. So that intersecting points of the reflected ray gives the positions of the image. So now we start the one ray that is parallel to principal axis. So after the reflection, ray passing through principal focus. This is the first ray. Now consider second ray that is incident at some angle at point P by making angle phi. According to law of the reflection, this ray can be reflected by making same angle with the incident angle. That is the law of the reflection. First law, incident angle and reflected angle are equal. So we can consider the reflected ray that is reflected by making the angle that is R. This I and R both are equal. So this is intersecting. We consider one more ray that is the passing through C. That is passing through C. So this can be reflected here. This is incident ray. Keep in your minds whenever incident ray passing through center of the curvature, so reflected rays follow same path. Okay. So this is incident ray. You can see this is incident. So from reflected ray same path. So these first ray, this is second ray, and this is third ray. These third ray three rays after the reflection meet at this point. So this point is image of this one. That is the alias. Similarly, when ray coming from this portion, you get the image here. So this is the image. Okay, this one is your F, this one is our C. So this is the most important ray diagrams. From this ray diagram, you can derive the mirror formula. So now, in your textbook, some slightly different methods can be used. But here we can use the different method that is easy compared to that of your textbooks. You can follow anyone. Only difference is that in your textbooks, the angle or triangle is considered that is A dash, B dash, F, and this point is M. So M, P, F. These triangles and this one. Instead of that, we first consider the triangle that is A dash, B dash, C, and A, B, C, and we make this similar angle, or we have shown this similar angle. These two angles are similar to each other. Okay, so only difference is that you can follow any one methods, but this is the easy compared to the your textbooks. So now the object distance from the pole, that is denoted by U. This is image. So distance of this image from the pole, that is image distance denoted by P. So we have derived the relationship between u, v and f, that is the mirror formula. Object distance, image distance and focal length. So by using this method, first of all we get the relationship between u, v and r, and by using the equation r is equal to 2f, we get the relationship between u, v and f, that is the mirror formula. So first of all we consider the triangle a', b', c and triangle ABC. So consider triangle a', b', c, this one, and triangle ABC and triangle AB. Now we have to show these two angles are equal, or we can say that similar to each other. In this case, you can see this is the 19 angle and this one is also 19 angle. So B and BD are equal. Also this C is common. So these two angles are equal. So for this triangle, C angle is common for both. So C angle is common. Also B dash is 19. This B dash is 19. B is also 19. So B dash and B is 19 angle also equals. We know that the summation of three angles of the triangles are 180. If these two angles are equal to each other, so third one is automatically equal because the summation is always 180. So you can see this C are equal, this B dash and B equal. So A and A dash is equal. So now A dash is equal to A. So these criteria is triple A. These three angles are equal. Because of that, these two triangles are similar to each other. Triangle A dash, B dash C is similar to triangle ABC. If these two triangles are similar, so their respective side ratio are equivalent. First of all, we take this side ratio A dash, B dash, A. You must be follow the order. So this is equivalent to B dash C and this B dash C divided by this. So these two are equal to each other. From the triangles you can see A dash, B dash divided by AB, that is equivalent to B dash C divided by this. This is our equation number 1. Now we consider second pair of the triangles. So for that we consider A dash, B dash, B and A, B, B. So consider triangle A dash, B dash, B and triangle AB. In this one you can see this is the 19 B dash B. Also one angle of this one A dash, B dash, B, that is R, and angle of this one A, B, P, that is R. But these two are equal. So from the figure we can say that angle, which angle? First one A, P, B, angle A dash, B dash, B and angle A, B, P, that is equal to each other. Okay. So this is only for one. Also this B dash and B is 19. So angle B dash and B is 19. If these two triangles, these two angles are equal, this one and this one, so this third is automatically equal. Okay. B dash B equal, this P is equal. So this remaining angle is also equal. So A dash is equal to A. So according to this criteria, this is not 4A. This angle is R, this angle is R, and these two are equal to each other according to law of the reflection. So according to 3A, these two triangles are similar to each other. So here we have triangle A dash, B dash, B is similar to triangle ABC. If these two triangles are similar, so their respective pair ratio or side ratio, that is equal. First of all, take this one A dash, B dash divided by AB, then B dash, B and B. So B dash, B and B. From the figure you can see A dash, B dash divided by AB is equal to B dash, B and B for this triangle and this triangle. This is our equation number 2. From 1 and 2 you can see A dash, B dash, AB. So A dash, B dash, AB. So these LHS is equal. So these two RHS is also equal. So we have B dash C divided by BC is equal to B dash C by B. From where equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Okay. Now we know that whenever we have studied about the sign convention, we decide that each and every distance can be measured from the pole. So here this distance B dash P and BP are measured from Okay, so now you can see this B dash C, that is Cp minus B dash P. When you subtract this B dash P from this total Cp, so you get this distance. So from figure we can say that from figure B dash C, this B dash C is equal to Cp minus B dash P. Also similar BC, you can see BC. So BC is equal to total BP minus CP. So you get this distance. So BP minus CP. So put this value here. You get B dash C. So CP minus B dash P. Now BC. So BP minus CP is equal to B dash P divided by BP. But this distance you know from the figure. You can see Cp, that means C to P, center of the curvature and pole distance, that is radius of the curvature. Then B dash P, so B dash is your image, so image distance or image position from the pole, that is image distance B. Okay, so from figure we can say that from figure we have Cp, that means distance of the center of the curvature from the pole, that is the radius of the curvature. B dash P, that is image position, the position of the image from the pole, that is the image distance B. So B dash P, that is B. And BP, that means object position from the pole, that is the object distance U. You can see from this to this, that is BP is equal to Cp. We have B dash P and BP. This all distance we have measured. Also, you can see this all distance is LHS of the P. And when we studied about the sign convention, we decide the P is taken as origin. All distance in RHS, that is positive, LHS negative, upper side positive, lower side negative. So this all distance are negative. You can see this is the negative distance. Now put this value in this equation. So Cp, that is minus R. So minus R, minus is there B dash P, so that is minus P, divided by BP, so that is minus P. This minus is there Cp, that is minus R, is equal to B dash P, that is the minus P, divided by BP, that is the minus P. So this one is minus R minus plus P divided by minus Q minus plus R. This minus cancel, you get V by U. Now take the cross product. So U is multiplied first here, so minus UR. Then plus UV is equal to minus UV plus RV plus VR. Now take the R term in one side and UV terms in one side. So this UV is taken in LHS, so this is become plus, and this minus UR is taken in RHS, so that become plus. So first of all, this UV is as it is, this minus UV is here, so UV. Now this VR is as it is, this minus UR is taken in RHS, so minus become plus UR. This one is UV plus UV, that is 2UV is equal to R is taken common, so V plus U. Okay, now divide this whole equation. Divide this whole equation by UV. Divide by UV. Divide this whole equation by UV. So you get 2UV divided by UV is equal to R V plus U divided by UV. This UV cancel, you get 2. This R V plus U divided by UV. This R is taken here 2 by R and separate these terms. So V by UV plus U by UV. So here VV cancel, here U cancel. So 2 by R is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by U. So we can write 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 2 by R. This equation is also used for numerical solution. Now we know that R is equal to 2F. R is equal to 2F. We have derived this equation in previous video. So now put R is equal to 2F in this equation. So that is 1 by U is most important formula for numericals. 1 by u plus 1 by e is equal to 1 by f. So this is the mirror formula. Okay. Now you have remembered this formula for numerical solutions. Now we derive the equation for magnification. Equation of the magnification in terms of the object distance and image distance. For that, consider this image object height is h and image height is h dash. So consider object height is h and image height is h dash. We have learned in 10th standard that is magnification is ratio of the image height divided by object height. Remember this equation. This is star equation. Now from the figure you can see we have considered a dash, b dash, p and a, b, p. That two angles are triangle a dash, b dash, p and triangle a, b, p are similar to each other. We have verified this one. So take the ratio. So a dash, b dash divided by a, b is equal to b dash, p divided by p. But your a dash, b dash, that is the image or this image height is h dash. So put a dash, b dash that is equal to h dash. You can see here a dash, b dash is h dash and a, b that is h. From the figure you can see this is h dash and this one is h. Put here. So a dash, b dash is h dash by h. Now your b dash, b, that is b dash, p that is the image position from the pole, that is image distance. So also from figure b dash, p is image position minus b and bp that is object position minus 1. This is the bp that is u, but in LHS is minus u. B dash b that is b, but this is in LHS that is minus b. So put this what value in here. A dash, b dash that is h dash, ab that is h, b dash b that is minus b and bp that is minus b. Minus minus cancel. H dash by h is equal to b by u. But h dash h that is the magnification m. So m is equal to b by. This is the magnification equation. Okay. So this is the most important equation. This mirror formula and magnification. Now one more topic is there. What is the virtual image and what is the real image? So we take this is the real image. We get the actual intersections. But now we derive or draw a ray diagram for virtual image. So ray diagram for virtual image. How you get the virtual image? You can see this is the concave mirror. Pole, center of the curvature, visible focus. Then our object is at this one. So now consider one ray that is this one. But parallel ray after the reflection passing to principal focus. Consider one more ray that is incident at angle I. So they can be reflected at angle R. This I and R equal. These two rays never be intersect to each other. If you want to find the intersection point, so you can extend it in that side. So this one is, these two are intersecting at this point. So this intersecting point is the image. So you have to extend these two rays in backward side, then and then to get the intersecting point and image. So this image is virtual image. Similarly, you can find out for concave or convex mirror. This is pole. This is center of the curvature, principal focus. When parallel ray is coming, so this is after the reflection. This is not center of the curvature. For convex mirror, the center of the curvature is this side, and principal focus is here. When object is here, so this parallel ray, then after the ray reflection, they become here. Is coming from P or F. This is coming from F. Consider one more ray that is incident at angle I. So after the ray reflection, ray becomes here. So this is first reflected ray, this is second reflected ray. These both are intersecting when this one is extended in that side. So this is your image. So this is for convex and this is for concave. So this one is virtual image. You not get actually intersection, but you have to extend it in back side. So this topic is most important. You revise for 2 or 3 times. वीडियो लेंथी बनवाना कारणे थोड़ू झड़पथी चलाववामां आव्युं छे. तमने खबर